Hi, and thanks for joining me for this special senior shape workout using a vibration plate. If you don't already have one, some advantages to a vibration plate are balance, increasing blood circulation, reducing joint pain, bone density, lymphatic drainage, and stimulating the muscles. So great for everybody, but especially for my senior audience. Links to this unit and another one that has a handle, again, which is great if you have balance issues, will be in the description box below. Anytime that you're using a vibration plate, you want to start low and slow. Takes a bit to get used to, so start with a few minutes every day. You want to start with a narrow stance on your plate, so feet are closer together. It's more challenging the further your feet are apart. So again, start with a few minutes a day until you get used to it. You also always want to make sure that you keep your knees bent at all times. So with that, we're going to do under 20-minute workout. You want to do about 10 up to 20 minutes, working your way up a few times a week, or sometimes, you could do it every day as your body gets adjusted to it. So I'm going to start. My unit is at a 20. Different units have different levels. This one goes up to 120. Again, we always start low and slow. I'm going to start it with my remote. Starting that vibration, again, nice bent knees. I'm wearing shoes today. Again, when you're beginning, wear shoes to absorb some of that vibration as well. Check your posture. A little pelvic tuck, so we're activating the tummy. Roll the shoulders down and back. Soft knees again. And again, if you have your handle, you're able to hold on. If you have balance issues, you can always hold onto a counter. Move your small unit to the counter as well. Okay, bent knees, hands on the hips. Start with some hip circles all the way around. And then let's reverse. Take a break anytime you need to throughout this workout as well. We're going to work our way up to the full workout. And then hands on top of the shoulders. Big circles here. And let's reverse to the front. Reverse again, 4 more to the back. Hands back on the hips. Let's do some heel raises. Again, hold on if you need to. Lift up onto the toes. Slowly lower. Up and down. Let's go 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees bent, coming into a standing cat-cow. Chin is forward, send the hips to the back, hands come to the thighs. We then tuck the chin and round the back up. Reverse it, chin up, hips back, proud chest. Reverse up to that cat, round back. You'll feel as you shift your body's positions, you're going to feel the vibrations in different areas of the body. One more time, we round up. Tuck the chin, and then roll up nice and slow. Finish rolling back those shoulders. Hands come behind the head. Again, soft bend in those knees. So we come to a good morning, just hinging from the hips. And then come on back up. And down. And left. Let's add a side twist. Turning from the torso to the side. Back to center. We come forward. And side. Engage that core, belly button to the spine. And one more time to the front. Release the hands down, little shake out if you need to. Coming into squats, reach the hands forward towards me. We sit the hips back. and come up. Again, notice how it changes where you're feeling those vibrations in your body. So good for our balance. Let's continue with the squats, and we're going to hold down here, isometric hold. You're going to feel it more in the lower body as you hold low. And come up. Let's do that again. Take it back. Reach. Flatten your back. Weight in the heels. And come on up. And one more time. Squat and hold. And come on up. A little shake out again if you need to. Arms out to the side. Reach the fingertips long. Give me some arm circles forward. Press the shoulders down. 4, 3, reverse it to the back. 4, 3, 2, back to the front. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, back to the back for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hands come down to the side, alternating. One reaches forward, one reaches back as we have a little bend in the knees and a hinge forward. Give me a little pulse. Come on back up and switch. Hinge, pulse. Tummy in. Reach the fingertips long in each direction. Well done. Let's do 2 more. Hands come to the hips again. Maybe walk your feet a little bit closer together. We've got some high knees, or hold on to something if you need to. Lift to one leg and put her down. Challenging movement on the vibration plate. You can always step off and do this again, or hold on. Stay in the center, that helps. Using our core here, help us lift that leg and balance, grow tall. We've got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job, we're almost done. Hands come out to the side, bend the elbows at a 90-degree angle. Again, soft bend in those knees. Squeeze the arms towards each other. Open back out and squeeze the back muscles. We come forward and out. Give me a nice range of motion here. We squeeze the chest as the arms come forward. Squeeze the shoulder blades together as the arms come back. Let's go 4, 3. You will feel like you're working harder on the vibration machine. We're going to burn a little extra calories as well. Out and release. Okay, stepping off the plate to the back with one leg. We come down, step back up, alternating. We come down, step back up. Again, come to the middle of your plate. Option here if you want to take this to a full lunge back. You do you. Woo, let's go 4 more. And then we're going to stretch. Last 2. And last 1. Well done, my friends. Stay with me, but turn off your plate. With your mode, there we go. Gently step off your plate. Give a little shake out. Take a few deep breaths. Inhale. And exhale down. All right, few stretches here. One foot comes onto the plate, flexing, toe to the ceiling, heel on the plate. Hinge forward from the hips and straighten that front leg. Feeling a beautiful stretch in the back of the leg here for the hamstrings. If you want to make it a little more dynamic, you can lower that foot down and lift that toe back up. Let's do that 2 more times. And lift the chest and switch sides. Shift the hips back. And we lower the foot and lift. For 3, 2, and 1. Again, a little shake out if you need it. We're going to stretch our calf muscles so we're back up on the plate that's turned off. Step back with that right leg and drop your heel down for an amazing calf stretch here. Continue to take nice deep breaths for me. And let's switch sides. Toe on the plate, drop the heel down. This is a great calf stretch to do on the bottom stairs. And let's come all the way off again. Feet a little bit wider and hip width apart, right arm out to the side. Cross it in front, drop that shoulder down. Let's add a little neck stretch here too, ear towards the shoulder. We lift up, release, other side, arm out, cross it in front, drop the shoulder, ear towards the shoulder. We lift the head, relax, shake it out, do some wrist circles. Guys, leave me a comment if you're interested in more workouts with the vibration plate. Great tool to have. I've really been enjoying getting to learn how to use it, and the benefits it offers are absolutely astounding. Again, takes some getting used to, so don't give up if you feel a little wonky the first few times that you use it. Big inhale, arms come up. Exhale down. Again, inhale up. And then give me a little shake down. We're used to shaking. Release a little bit more of that energy, and maybe a couple little hip shakes side to side here. We're doing our own shaking now. I train a woman in my neighborhood who's 97 years old, and she has a large vibration plate, and she calls it her jiggle machine. How appropriate, right? All right, couple more hip circles, releasing any tension in that lower back. And reverse. And again, big inhale. And exhale down. Well done. As always, thanks for working out with me, and we'll see you next time.